Welcome everyone. Welcome to next session of Python and R programming. I am Dr. Rajesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Biotechnology. We'll discuss in this session about data types in Python. So this is one of the important session in Python programming. So if you understand this session, so it paves the first stone for understanding the Python programming. So data types in Python. So in programming languages, data types can be two types. We will say that a simple data types and the second one we call it as data structures. Simple data types is the most common, or it is common in all programming languages, and data structures, they are specific to given programming languages here. So the data type, why we require data type is because human can understand two types of data basically. One is numeric data such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numeric data types, or another one is alphabeticals. So here I will say integer. Integer is a arrangement of I, N, T, E, G, E, or alphabets in specific order, which makes the word integer here. So human reads either numbers or alphabets in a specified manner. So to handle these two types of data, so the programming languages have the data types to handle them here. So simple data types, in a majority of the programming languages you have integers, floating points, booleans, and strings. So integer values which you say 10, minus 1, minus 2, minus 9, 1 million, 1 billion. So all these are considered as integers. Simply we can say the whole numbers. And to define an integer, we say integer data type in Python, we say a variable name. Suppose x equal to variable data type x equal to 10 here. Here 10 is my integer and x is the identifier or name to store this value 10, and the equal to is equal to assignment operator here. So all whole numbers are together called as integers here. And the floating points, we have 0.1, 0.2 or 0.00001 minus 0.2, so pi equal to 3.4, and all the numbers with decimal numbers are called as floating point values. And third simple data type, boolean values, or true or false statements here. Is true equal to true, is true is there, that indicates that the statement is true, and it is a boolean data type here. And this integer, floating point, boolean, these are present in all programming languages irrespective of very high level or lower level here. And coming to the fourth simple one, string values, you call them string values as character type in low level programming languages or mid level programming languages. String is nothing but a sequence of characters. So when I say my name or when I say Python is a string that has characters P, Y, T, H, O and N. So name equal to John is a string data type. The John string is stored in variable called name here. And coming to the specific or Python specific data types, we call them as data structures in Python. So lists, tuples, dictionaries, sets, and none data type. So list is an ordered collection of items. So let us assume that you have sets of fruits, apple, banana, mango. So I'll say fruits equal to apple, banana and mango. So all these three things together can be stored in a variable named as fruits, and fruits will become a list. And a tuple is similar to a list. It also has a list of several items, but a small difference is there. So these are immutable ordered collection of items. So list is a ordered collection, whereas tuple is a immutable ordered collection of items here. So here immutable means they cannot be changed. They cannot be changed once something is assigned here. So I cannot change the values of 10 or 20 during the process of the programming here. And the third data type, which is most important in the context of bioinformatics, so key value pairs. So for example, I have name and age. I have a table. I'll say in table I have name, age. So John 30, RAM 45. So here this table is called as dictionary data type. The first one will become key, the second column will become values. So we'll discuss about these data types in fine detail. And sets are similar to tuples or lists. They are unordered collection of unique items. Unordered collection of unique items. That means they don't have the order. So order means, suppose here let us take list here, fruits equal to apple and banana. The order of apple is 0, order of banana is 1. In computer science the numbering starts with 0, and whatever comes next that will become 2, 3, 4. And in tuples, point 10 equal to 0 and 20 is 1. Whatever comes 2, 3, 4. Here unordered collection means these items doesn't have any numbering, 0, 1, 2 like this. There is no order for them here, and most of the cases the data will be arranged in ascending order here. And there is a specific data type called as none data type. It represents absence of values. So we don't use this data type basically, but this data type is also available in Python programming language here. And to understand what is the data type, you are handling with, there is a function called as type function. Using that you can know what is happening. So what you can do with the data type here. So you have to say simply, suppose x equal to 5. So here this is an integer, and I want to know the data type. I have to say type x. The output will be int, integer. And when I say, now I'll say x equal to atgc, then if I say type x, the output will be string, because atgc is a series of characters, or simply we call them as a string here. By using type command we can understand about the different types of data types in Python programming language here. So this is a simple overview of data types in Python programming languages here. We'll learn about each data type in coming classes. So thank you very much for listening. So in next session we talk about string data types.